I will. Okay, I get it. I got it. Thank you. Go get your wheelbarrow. Ready? Oh, dump it. There you go. Wow, you're such a good helper, Boo. Okay, we'll fill the whole thing. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. So you're just leveling it with the water, right? You make it nice with the water? Yeah. My little helper. Good morning, folks. Hope you're having a great day so far. This is our raised bed that we produced in the understory of the oaks. It gets a little bit of direct sunlight in the morning, which is fine. I like that. But there's the oak tree setup where the shade is produced from during the daytime, during the scorching sun. See, even in the winter we get scorching sunlight here, so I wanted to try all of the varieties that I tried in my direct full sun raised bed. I tried them over there and they failed. They just pretty much burned up. So I'm trying them over here, see what they do. Got the peas, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, green beans, romaine lettuce, spinach. So we'll see how well everything does. I'll keep you updated and posted on the progress of this raised bed. Thanks for watching and have a good day.